meditations. And this one is a non-dual meditation. So we're going to begin this with negation. So let's close our eyes, put our feet firmly planted on the floor, or if you're seated on the floor, your spine is straight and your chest is slightly forward. First, we begin our meditation by negation. Try to think away everything we are not. Analyze everything that comes in the mind by the sheer action of the will. The body drinks, eats, and so on. I am not the body. I am not mind. I am not thought. I am He. I am Brahman. Next, assert what we really are. Existence, knowledge, and bliss. Being, knowing, and loving. Affirm that. Meditation is the means of unification of the subject and object. Meditate. In Vivekananda's own words, above, it is full of me. Below, it is full of me. In the middle, it is full of me. I am in all beings, and all beings are in me. Om Tat Sat. I am that. I am existence above mind. I am the one spirit of the universe. I am neither pleasure nor pain. I am He. I am the witness. I look on. When health comes, I am the witness. When disease comes, I am the witness. I am existence, knowledge, bliss. I am the essence and nectar of knowledge. Through eternity, I change not. I am calm. resplendent, and unchanging. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Peace, peace, peace be unto us all.